Hello guys, so in today's video we are going to learn more about the concept metric unit conversions, since most of learners from grade 4 to 7 are struggling to convert between metric units. So in this video we are going to explain more using teaching aids converting between metric units. So okay guys, good luck.
Okay class, today we are going to focus on metric unit conversions. In metric unit conversions, today we are going to focus on length, which has a base unit of meter, capacity, a base unit of liter, and mass with a base unit of gram. Okay, let's go on and start with length. For length, we have our metric unit conversion diagram, which has kilometers, meters, centimeters, and millimeters. And one thing that you have to know is that when you are converting from bigger unit to smaller unit, always you have to multiply. And in this case, from kilometer to meter, we are multiplying with 1000. From meter to centimeter, we are multiplying with, this is 100. And the last one, centimeter to millimeter, we are multiplying with 10. Okay, and when we are converting from a smaller unit to bigger unit, we are dividing. And here, if you are converting from millimeter to centimeter, we are dividing with 10. Here we are dividing with 100 from centimeter to meter, and from meter to kilometer we are dividing with 1000. Okay, let's start with our first example. Okay. Let me say we are converting 30. We are converting 30 centimeter to 30 centimeter to meter. Okay, when we are converting from centimeter to meter, we are dividing with 100. Okay, now 100 has 2 zeros. Now we are going to move our comma backward because we are dividing. We're starting from here, 1, 2. Okay. Our answer will be 0.3 meter. Okay, now I want us to see if this answer that we got is corresponding when it comes to real life examples. Let me say here this ruler is 1 meter. Okay, this one is 1 meter ruler, and this one is a 30 centimeter. Okay, now let me say we are having 30 centimeter here. This one is a 30 centimeter ruler. Now we want to see if we are getting 0.3 meter on this ruler because this one is a 1 meter ruler. Okay, now let's check. Okay, let's check this one. We have, okay, our ruler, our 30 centimeter ruler start when you place it on one meter ruler, you place it starting from 0 to 0.3. This one it's showing 30, but it's on, let me say 30 centimeter. As we convert here, as I said, this one is a 1 meter ruler, and when we convert 30 centimeter here, it's 0.3 meter. And now here it's showing that it's 30 here because this is how they put their scale on this 1 meter ruler. And we know already that 30 centimeter, when it's come to a 1 meter ruler, it's 0.3, meaning that here where they indicate 30, it's 0.3 meter. Okay, let's move on to capacity. Capacity, we have our base unit is liter. As you can see that here, kiloliter, liter, and milliliter. liter is just appearing in both of these ones. Okay, and this one is our metric unit conversion diagram. Okay, we have kiloliter, liter, and milliliter. As I said it before in length, that whenever you are converting from a bigger unit to the smaller unit, we have to multiply. In this case, for capacity, we are multiplying with 1000. Just from kiloliter to liter, we are multiplying with 1000. From liter to milliliter, we are multiplying with 1000. And then, when you are moving backward from milliliter to liter, here we are converting from a smaller unit to the bigger unit, meaning we are dividing. Here, in this case, we are dividing with 1000. From milliliter to liter, we are dividing with 1000, and from liter to kiloliter, we are dividing with 1000. Okay, now let's do our first example. Our first example, let me say you are asked to convert from 500 milliliter to liter. Okay, here we are converting from a smaller unit, from a smaller unit to bigger unit. Okay, we are from milliliter to liter, meaning we are dividing with 1000. Okay, 500 milliliter. We are dividing with 1000. If we are dividing with 1000, meaning we have to move our comma how many times? 3 times, because 1000 has 3 zeros. Okay, and we are moving our comma backward because we are dividing how many times? 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, our answer will be 0.5 liter, or we say 0.5, or in decimal or in the fraction is half a liter. This is half a liter. This is half a liter. 1/2. Okay, let's see if this one is working in real life. Now, here I have a 500 milliliter bottle. As you can see, 500 milliliter bottle. And this one, this is a beaker. We call it a beaker. It has a scale up to 1 liter, meaning the whole of this, if we pour our water from this bottle into this beaker until where our scale is showing 1 liter, meaning we contain a 1 liter. 1 liter of this. This is a 1 liter beaker. Now let's see. Let's convert our water from this 500 milliliter to liter. Okay, as we can see that our beaker has 2 scales. It's showing 2 scales. This side is for milliliters and this side is for liters. Okay, when you are going to put our water in this beaker, because we are converting from milliliter to liter, meaning our reading, we are going to take it from the side of liters. Which one is the one on our right hand side? Okay, now let's put our 500 milliliter water into this 1 liter beaker and take our reading. Okay, let's take our reading. We are taking it from right hand side. Okay, our beaker is showing that on the side of milliliter. As I said, this one is a 500 milliliter bottle. On our milliliter side, it's showing 500. Our reading is at 500 milliliter. And on our right hand side, on the side of liters, it's showing that it's a half a liter. This one is a half a liter, which is equal to 0.5 also. Meaning, we can conclude that our 500 milliliter is equal, if we convert it from if we convert 500 milliliter to liter, we are going to get 0.5 or half a liter. Okay, now this here we are done with capacity. Now let's move on to mass. Okay, for mass we also have our base unit, and in this case for mass we have gram. As you can see here, our metric unit conversion diagram, we have kilogram, which one is the big one, gram and milligram. And now, if you are converting from kilogram to gram, we are multiplying with 1000, and from gram to milligram, also multiplying with 1000. Here we are just moving with 1000. 1000, 1000, 1000, 1000. Okay? When you are converting from milligram to gram, we are dividing with 1000. And when you are converting from gram to kilogram, we are also dividing with 1000. Okay? Our first example, let's convert 10 kilogram to gram. We are given to convert 10 kilogram to gram. Here, in this case, we are converting from a bigger unit to smaller unit. Okay, let me say with 10. In this case, when you are converting from kilogram to gram, we are multiplying with 100. 1000. Okay? And when you are multiplying with 1000, we have to move our comma. How many times? 3, because 1000 contains 3 zeros. Oh? Okay. Now we are going to move our comma forward 3 times. Starting from here. 1. If you move 1 time, we add 1 0. 2, we add 2 zeros. And 3, we add 3 zeros. Now our answer is going to be 10,000 grams. This is our 10,000 grams. Okay? Another example. Let's convert say 5 milligram to gram. Okay? In this case, we are moving from a smaller unit to bigger unit, meaning we are dividing with 1000. And here we are going to move our comma backward 3 times, starting from 1, 2, 3. This is going to be our point. Our answer is 0.005 gram. Okay, class. That was a lesson for the day, and I hope if you keep on practicing, practice make it perfect. Thank you guys. See you next time.
You can do the following exercise on your own. In A, we have an exercise on length, whereby you are going to convert 100 meter to centimeter. 100 meter to centimeter. In B, you are going to do about capacity, where you are going to convert 8 milliliter to liter. In C, in C, I'm giving you 600 grams to convert to kilograms. For more practice, you can go on the following websites to look for more information. We have conversion. We have conversion. We have conversion world. Conversionworld.com, and the other one is Academy. So you can go search for these websites, so you look for more information on the metric units conversion. Thank you.